everybody, welcome to BridgeviewAdventures. This is Cindy Lynn. As you probably seen in the previous video, we did rent a bobcat to finish up some of our excavation that was left over. We had lots of piles and lots of bare areas that had ruts and crevices that needed to be covered up. So while Tony is over there doing the excavation work and finishing up with the land part and getting that all fixed, I'm doing some smaller projects. One of the things that I'm doing for the fruit trees is using this corrugated pipe as a truck protector. So I was just gonna show you guys, this is something very cheap and easy to use. You need to always protect your trees, whether they're fruit trees or any other kind of trees, from deer. We've had a couple of our trees annihilated when we first put them in from the deer rubbing on them. We've also had issues with insects or worms, birds, the weed eater, which is mainly, this is the protection for the trunk so that Tony can get in here and weed eat around all of the fruit trees, so he can actually get inside this fencing that we have and do that. So what I do is usually, don't smack myself in the face, first of all, I cut off a piece about measure from the inside of my elbow to the tips of my fingers, and then I just use the box cutter or X-Acto knife. Be very careful, these things are sharp, and if you need a brand new knife so that it's not dull. And so just cut all the way around. Preferably if you can have the blade away from you, that works best. So cuts through very simple, and then once you have your piece, then you just, I usually find the low spot and then just cut a line all the way down the side so that it'll fit around the trunk of the tree. So I'm just putting this one on the ground so I can get more leverage with it, but it cuts right through it, as you can see. So there you go. Hi. Hello. Tree trunk protector, that easy, that simple, that cheap. So let's go install it. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and install this protector corrugated pipe that I made. It just slides on easy at the trunk. I usually put in one end and then pop in the rest of the trunk. It is a little bit rigid, so you kind of have to do one piece at a time, but it'll pop right on. And then I kind of line it up, squish it together a little more. There you go. The trunk's protected from the weed eater. So always protect your trees, guys. It's an investment, and these things aren't cheap. Usually fruit trees run anywhere from $21 on up. We have a persimmon tree that was $50 to buy it. So, gotta keep them protected. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.